Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable RapidAPI in Xano for third-party data, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable RapidAPI in Xano for third-party data, begin by logging into your Xano account. Navigate to your workspace where you want to enable Rapid. On the left-hand sidebar, locate and select the API section. Click on the RapidAPI tab within the API section. Next, click on the Enable RapidAPI button to initiate the setup process. You will be presented with terms and conditions. Read the terms carefully and accept them to proceed. Once accepted, you will see a prompt to configure your RapidAPI settings. Fill in the required fields, such as the API name and description. In the next step, you'll need to specify the APIs you wish to connect to. Search for the desired API in the RapidAPI marketplace. Select the API you want to use and click on the Add button. Review the API documentation provided to understand its functionality. Now, head to the Endpoints section in your Xano workspace. Click on Create Endpoint to start building your custom API endpoint. Define the necessary parameters for your endpoint based on your data requirements. In the settings, ensure to select the appropriate HTTP method, such as GET or POST. In the request body, insert any required authentication keys or headers. To test the connection, click on the Test button. If the connection is successful, you will see the fetched data displayed. You may want to format the data as needed for your application. Once satisfied with the setup, click Save to finalize your endpoint. You can now use this endpoint to access third-party data through RapidAPI. To manage your APIs, return to the RapidAPI tab for monitoring and adjustments as necessary. With these steps, you have successfully enabled RapidAPI in Xano for third-party data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.